You just bought a pre-owned iPhone, you're excited to set it up, and then you hit the dreaded activation lock screen. It feels like you've just purchased an expensive paperweight. Many people lose hundreds of dollars searching for instant unlock services that are nothing more than clever scams designed to steal your data or your money. Today, I am going to show you the only legitimate, secure ways to regain access to your device without falling for these traps, ensuring your hardware stays safe and your personal information remains private. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. In this guide, you will learn how activation lock functions as a security feature and why you must avoid third-party unlock websites. You will discover the official methods to remove activation lock using your proof of purchase or by contacting the original owner. Quick legal note before we continue. These methods are for your own devices. Attempting to bypass security on hardware you do not own is illegal. Avoid third-party unlock services, as they often steal personal data or financial information.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credits safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
Activation lock acts as a digital anchor for your Apple hardware. When you enable Find My, your device links its unique hardware identifier to your specific Apple ID on secure servers. This connection prevents anyone else from erasing or reactivating the phone if it goes missing. Thieves cannot simply wipe the software to resell the hardware because the activation status remains tied to your credentials. You encounter this screen because the previous owner failed to sign out of their account before handing the device over. The system detects an existing link and demands the original login information to verify the device is not stolen. Many websites claim they can break this security link for a fee. You must recognize that these services operate on deception. They often promise a quick fix, take your payment, and then provide nothing or disappear entirely. Some sites go further by attempting to harvest your personal data or installing malicious software during the process. No third party possesses a secret backdoor to Apple servers. Only the original account holder or Apple support can officially clear the status. Relying on unverified services puts your financial security and privacy at risk. Your path forward begins with clear, official channels. First, contact the person who sold you the device. They can remove the lock remotely by visiting the official iCloud website from any browser. Once they sign in, they select the device from their list and choose the option to remove it from their account. This action instantly clears the server-side lock, allowing you to proceed with your own setup. If you cannot reach the original owner, your next step involves gathering your proof of purchase. You need the original receipt showing the serial number and the seller's information. You then submit this documentation directly to Apple through their support portal. They review your request to confirm the device was sold legitimately. This process takes time, but it remains the only way to recover your device without compromising its integrity. Stick to these verified methods to make OK your hardware stays functional and your data remains protected from outside threats. You have learned that the activation lock is a permanent security anchor tied to official servers, meaning no third party can bypass it without the original credentials. We covered how to avoid fraudulent unlock sites that promise impossible results while stealing your money or personal data. Your most reliable path remains contacting the original owner or using official support channels with your proof of purchase.
If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe and enable notifications to be informed on future updates and guides.